Across the country, healthcare organizations face staffing shortages and growing demand. Clinical placements are the key to building tomorrow's workforce, but scheduling, onboarding, and tracking students can be overwhelming. That's why we created Exxat One. It brings students, schools, and clinical sites together on one platform to make placement management simpler, faster, and more strategic. Think of it as your complete clinical education network that helps you plan placements, spot trends, and make informed decisions with confidence. With Exxat's nationwide network of partner schools, clinical sites get placement requests already organized by discipline, duration, and location. This cuts down back-and-forth communication and makes rotations easier to plan. No more chasing emails or phone calls. Requests come straight through the platform. You can review, adjust, and approve them with just a few clicks. With a live, interactive calendar, you always know exactly where each placement stands. From student onboarding to compliance and contract management, Exxat One handles it all. Need to check a student's full placement history or pull out a quick report? It's all there when you need it. You can even flag standout students as future hires, helping you build a stronger pipeline year after year. While you manage placements, evaluations, and partnerships, Exxat One quietly keeps your data secure. Exxat One goes beyond managing placements. It connects people, streamlines processes, and helps build a smarter, more resilient healthcare workforce. Book a demo today.